Big picture, ATDM, Accelerated Training in Defense Manufacturing, it's a workforce development and job placement program for Navy's industrial manufacturing supply chain. It's a program designed to take students with little to no background in the skilled trades that we train to, and those are additive manufacturing, CNC machining, welding, non-destructive testing, and quality control. And in 16 weeks, they get the foundational skills to start with an employer or return to an employer. We can take incumbent workers or conditional hires, and then career-seeking students who are looking to get trained to enter into the workforce, support national defense. That's what ATDM is in a nutshell. Having an avenue now to get this skilled trade training to line you up to a job that supports national defense, I mean, what else could you ask for? You know, you can have a meaningful career, supporting the defense of this nation, making good money, being able to raise a family. I mean, you talk about the American dream, that's it in a nutshell.